howdy and what's up? Another video, another day. Today I'm really on top of my Pinterest game, and I've been obsessed with the idea of creating like low art throughout my apartment. And let me just show you my Pinterest board. Look, I want to do cute stuff like this. I want to have a little bats all over the place. Look at how adorable. Yes, yes. That's what I'm gonna do here. And if that works, just know I'm gonna turn my apartment into like a bird lady house, okay? You look at it, it's so cute. I'm gonna do that one there. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's just give it a shot. Actually, this picture, I think I'm gonna use this picture. Should be doable. Yeah, that's the goal. Let's see. Okay, step one. And now I'm going to grab the actual paints and do the actual painting. Let's see. I'm just gonna use these old acrylic paints, makeup brushes. Yeah, okay, you get the gist. Yeah, let's see. Day 2. I'm not really happy with the color yet, and I need to finish all of this. So I think I'm gonna be able to finish it at time lapse. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna take like a white color and go around and clean up the edges a little bit. It's not like 10 out of 10, but I think it looks better in person than it does on camera. I'm not hating on it either. I think it's cute. Let me put up the reference picture again. Okay. Yeah, obviously it's not quite. This one is a little bit more discombobulated, but I think from far it absolutely looks cute. I'm already happy. Numero dos. Cela. This one now. Cute little birdie. Goes on here. And I'm gonna do more than only just my sockets, but this is where I start because it's actually a nice height to draw. And I'm still getting better at this period. Let's see. finished result. Then this one. This is an honorable mention that I didn't actually time lapse. I'm gonna do something about the balloon still because I don't like how it's showing through. But yeah. And then we have number 4. This one is also not completely finished. I want to go around and clean up the edges again, and then I don't know, clean up this. I think this was for my hoodie, and also I think do some finishing touches. I want to finish up this one, but I think it's from far away it's already pretty cute.